It's that time again. Test drive time in a 1969 Chevelle. Let's go for a ride. That time again. We're going for a test drive in a 1969 Chevelle. As soon as I started up, the oil pressure come up. The water temp gauge is still low, but it is showing that it's working because it's like at 130 right now. Probably that because it's a black car in the middle of the summer. I've also got volts. They're coming up. It's around 14, so that's showing good. Our gas gauge does work on this one. RPM gauge is working. Windshield wipers work. You can got a little bug that fried in here. We'll get him out. I couldn't get none of the blower motor or anything to cut on up there. Let me make sure I got a tag real quick. And I do. I got us a license plate set on there, so we're all legal right now. Throttle response feeling pretty good. Thing's zipping up. Horn don't work. They've got some seat belts here. I think I'm gonna be stuck. I'm gonna loosen that up a little, if I can. There we go. Aftermarket steering wheel, a little Grant steering wheel, looks pretty good. Wish all this traffic will lighten up. Get some wind flowing in here. I'm just gonna go. Small block 350, it's pulling pretty good. Check our brakes out. Need to tighten this mirror when I get back. That right there should fix it. A little high. Okay. Now, see if I can get around these people. Kick down's hooked up. Speedometer's coming up. It's working. I'm thinking all the gauges work on this car. Every one of them. So that's pretty good. Oh yeah. Feels pretty good. I can hear the blinker clicking. We're not going to go that way. Somebody's dead stopped in the middle of the road. All right. Like I said, the gas gauge does work on this one, so there's no need to stop. We've already added gas to it. The steering's nice and tight. There's no slack. It's not pulling to the left or right at all. The brakes feel good. They're nice and strong. I'm watching the temp. We're just now hitting 165. It's got a good cam in it. Sitting here plugging. temp's sitting at about 180 now. We've been cruising this parking lot, so it's staying nice and cool, which it should with a small block. Throttle feels really good. It's very responsive. Overall, running and driving wise, this thing's smooth. The steering feels good, the brakes feel good, and the throttle's pretty nice. I mean, it's pretty sweet. Steering wheel straight. I would probably hook the horn up, but half the cars we got, the horn don't work. Listen to the ride here. This thing sounds cool. Alright guys, this is going to conclude my test drive video. If you have any other questions, I'll try to help you out. Go ahead and give us a call, 615-822-4444. Also check our website, MapleMotors.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of this car and every car on the lot. Thank y'all for watching, and thanks again, man.